everyone. Today I am going to talk about the detachment. What is detachment? Detachment is very important for our life. Detachment from outcome, detachment from insecurity, detachment from yourself, detachment from relationship, detachment from social life. Because detachment is a very good thing. If you attach to the something, you will get stress, anxiety, because attachment leads to expectation. You accept the work you do to get a good outcome. You expect from relationship, you expect from your body, you expect from your friendship, and if your expectation not meet, you will get stress, depressed, and feel unworthy or anything. So you have only to detach yourself from every outcome. What are you doing? If you are going for a study, go for a study without expectation of the result. Because if you always thinking about the result, if you always thinking about what is going to happen, what is my result will be, if I will fail or if I will pass, you will uh, not do anything, because you are expecting so much that you can't even do your work. So you have to work without expectation, work with passion, work with love, work with your ability, how you are doing. Don't feel anything, what will happen, what not will happen. You have to only believe that everything will go according to me. What I want to do, I will do, and everything follow me. You don't have to attach to the outcomes of any work you have done. If you go for if we talk about in relationship, if you care someone or love someone, if you expect them to love and care to you also, you will feel very low, because every expectation not meet with what you are thinking. You have to only give, you have to give care, you have to love. You don't have to expect from anyone, because you have to only do your work. You have to only responsible for your work, your goal, your what you are doing, your body, and detach from everything. Detach from everything in a situation. It will be a situation or family or anything. You have to love them, care them, do your job, do your work, but attach don't attach to anyone, because attachment causes suffering. I don't I am not saying that you have to leave everyone. No, you have to remove expectation from your life. You have to only focus on what you can do, what you can do in family, what you can do in relationship, what you can do in your studies, what you can do in your work. If you do like that, you will free from expectation, free from jealousy, comparison, because you are not expecting anything. You are doing your work, and if you do your work with love, passion, and very hard and smart work, you will get success. And if you expect anything to be happen, your mind will only to that direction. how I will get outcome, what will happen. So you don't have to think of outcome, you have to only think of what effort are you giving in any situation, in a relationship or studies or any social structure. What you contribute, it is only important. So you have to work on yourself. If I am going for study, I will not see what I will get, because I have this day, I have to study. If I don't study, I will not get anywhere. So my work is only study. My work is not to think about what will happen. And don't fear, everyone is doing this. So you have to see, you have to work on detachment from people also, because if you attach to the people, if they say something or give something, you will attach to that thing. If someone abuse you, you will also get attached to that and say, oh, he had tell me and bad words. But if you detach from the situation, you will say, okay, he is doing this, that is not my problem. Because you are not expecting him to be very good, you are not expecting him to be bad. What he is, your responsibility is only for yourself, how you thought, how you feel, and how you take action to your work. Nothing is important for you more than your own action towards your goal, towards your life, towards your relationship, without expectation, without any obsession. Work with love and passion. Do your work like a passion. I want to do, I don't want anything, I just want to do. If I am going for exercise tomorrow, if I accept that my body will be like Salman Khan in 2-3 days, that will not happen, because my work is only for the action what I am doing, and not expecting what will be happen. But after 50-60 days, if I continuously do the exercise and work, I will get a good body. So that's what I am saying to you. Don't expect too much from anything. Work on yourself, love everyone, and love yourself also. Thank you very much.